Hello everybody, my name is Santiago, and in today's video I'm going to show you my Twitter-like web application as part of the CS15 course, Web Programming with Python and Javascript. So let's jump in. I'm going to log in and use the admin user. So the first feature we're going to review is the new post. So you should be able to post, to type in text-based post and submit it. So hey, this is a new post. I click on the new tweet button and you can see the tweet has been appended to the main page. So this is working, and yes, the second feature is the all post feature. So basically there's a link in the navigation bar. If you click on it, it will take you to this page where you can see all posts made by all users. So as you can see here, you can take a look at the different posts made by everybody. The third feature is the profile page. So each username is a link, so you can click on it and it will take you to that user's profile page. So I'm going to click on Ale and as you can see here, this user's profile page is displayed with the number of followers, the number of people this user is following, and whether or not you can follow this button to follow or unfollow. And as well, you can see all the posts made by this user. So the profile page is working. Oh, okay. So you can unfollow. This admin user already follows Ale, so I can click on unfollow, and I no longer follow this user. Or you can keep following. The next feature is the following. So if you click in the following link in the navigation bar, you can see all posts made by people who for the people you follow. So I'm currently following only Ale, but if I go back to all posts and I start following, let's say Santi, I'm going to follow Santi, and if I go back to the following page, you can see now I can see now not only Ale's post but also Santi's. So the following feature is working as well. The next one is the pagination. So there's a pagination component right here that allows you to navigate between pages. So if I click on the next, it takes me to the next page. If I click on the next again, it takes me to the last page. And each page displays a total of 10 posts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 posts per page. And this is working as well. The next feature is the edit posts. You should be able to edit any of the posts you are the author of. So I'm just going to add edited, click on the save button, and as you can see, the post has been saved. If you refresh the page, the post keeps that change. So the edit post is working, and you can notice you can only edit the post you're the author. You cannot edit, for example, Alice's post. And the last one is the like and unlike feature. So you can unlike any post you want. For example, I'm going to like this post, and if I go to for logging with Santi's user, you can see Santi's post. Santi's post has 1 like. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for your attention. I'm going to leave the source code in the description below. Yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.